Welcome to the world of empowerment technology. Did you know the average person spends 4 years of his life looking down at his cell phone? Not to say people isolate themselves, but to empower oneself. Empowerment, it is the act of managing something. Let's go back to the past. Life was challenging, life was normal. Memory was something you lost with age. Reports on papers, computations on your fingers. Let's go back to the present. Technology. It is the application of knowledge for practical purposes. I've been thinking about something. We have so many cool gadgets nowadays. Laptops, smartphones, and tablets. Technology helps our lives more easy. Handwritten reports were revised to presentations. Letters were replaced with video chats and text messages. Counting on fingers were advanced to calculators. Notes were typed to Notepad. Calendar and maps were changed to Google Calendars and Google Maps. But if you would look to some of the school's regulations, the use of these gadgets are prohibited. How are we supposed to learn if we can't even use these tools we're most comfortable with? Use of these gadgets is abbreviated to ICT. In fact, people believe that children learn much better by using ICT. Many local authorities struggle to provide their students with this. But the problem is not the actual hardware. Schools are full of it. The problem is how to use ICT smartly to improve oneself. Some people use these technology for negative purposes. Hacking, cheating, copyright infringing, cyberbullying.
For you to stay safe online, you have to follow the 10 rules of netiquette. Number 1. Remember the human. You have to remember that you are talking to a human. When communicating, you have to earn respect for you are talking to a human. Number 2. Adhere to the same standards that you follow in real life. You should do your best to act within the laws and ethical manners whenever you inhabit cyberspace. Number 3. Know where you are in cyberspace. Have limitations on your attitude. Whatever you do in cyberspace, and as possible, learn to adapt to certain environmental circumstances. Number 4. Respect other people's time and bandwidth. Let's face it, the world is busy, so make every word count because not everyone has the free time to lurk around fillers informations. Get to the point and always summarize as possible. Number 5. Make yourself look good online. Check your grammars, give yourself a good reputation. Everyone is given a chance to portray themselves online, and it is everyone's responsibility to make it decent and responsible. Number 6. Share expert knowledge. The internet is meant to share information and online as things, other people, and even you can share knowledge individual online. Number 7. Help keep flamers under control. Aside from ruining reputation of one another, flame wars are never appropriate online. It is everyone's responsibility to keep it at bay. Number 8. Respect other people's privacy. For every individual, there is a certain information that they can only keep for themselves, and as fellow certain users, our responsibility is to respect one and their privacy. Number 9. Don't abuse your power. Some people online have most and advanced knowledge when it comes to program softwares and etc. But it doesn't mean that they will abuse their power because their knowledge can be appropriately used in necessary situations. Number 10. Be forgiving of other people's mistakes. If you want to be forgiven of a certain mistake you did, learn to forgive others so that the cycle will go on and so forth. And those are the 10 rules of netiquette, all about being responsible and respectful online. Following the rules can help you be safe online. It could also be a trap from reality if you did not obey the rules. You are now back to reality. I hope this will serve you as a lesson. The importance of responsibility online.